This 2020 Glaval Primetime TRACER 22MDB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Glaval is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Glaval Primetime TRACER 22MDB is 4,367 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.